Ever opened your fridge only to discover that perfectly good food has gone bad? Whether you're a busy parent, a student on a budget, or just someone who wants to cut down on food waste, we have a solution for you. Introducing Smart Food Inventory Tracker, your personal assistant for smarter grocery management. Track what's in your fridge, manage your grocery list, get notified before anything expires, and organize your food by category, quantity, and shelf life. Save money, waste less, and eat fresher. With our state-of-the-art casing design, our system uses real sensors to monitor temperature, humidity, and even gas levels, like carbon dioxide, LPG, and ammonia, inside your fridge. So you're not just tracking items, you're tracking freshness, safety, and overall fridge health. Get live updates, color-coded condition warnings, and even historical trends, all from our sleek Android app. With our built-in barcode scanner, adding grocery products is quick and effortless. Just scan any item, and the app instantly retrieves the name and brand from the extensive OpenFoodFacts API database. You also have the option for manual entry if needed. Stay ahead of the game. Our notification system reminds you when items are about to expire or when the fridge conditions aren't ideal.